Now let us solve the next question. A piece of string is 300 centimeters long. What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form a square and a regular hexagon? So here we have to find the length of each side of the string if it is used to form in the shape of a square or if it is used to form in the shape of a regular hexagon. For example, the first case, a square. If the string is used to form a square, so then we have to find the length of each side of the square. So here the length of the string becomes the perimeter of the square. So we know that perimeter of the square is 4L. Length, if the length of each side is L, so length of string equals to 300 centimeters. So then perimeter of square also the same. So the perimeter of square formula is 4 into length equals to 300. So then length equals to 300 by 4. So when you divide 300 by 4, 4 sevens are 28. Remainder 2, 0, 4 fives are 20. So we can cancel here also directly. So then length equals to 75 centimeters. So length of the string is, length of the square, length of each side of the square is 75 centimeters. So we can write side of square Now the next, if it is used to form a regular hexagon, the second case, a regular hexagon. A regular hexagon means it consists of 6 sides and all the 6 sides are of equal length. If each side is denoted by L, so here also the length of the string is same as 300 centimeters. Then perimeter of regular hexagon equals to same 300 centimeters. So the perimeter of regular hexagon is 6L equals to 300 centimeters. Then L equals to 300 by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 0. So L equals to 50 centimeters. L means side of the regular hexagon. Now next question is, find the cost of fencing a square park of site 250 meters at the rate of 20 rupees per meter. Now there is a square park . Now this is a square park . Now its side is given that 250 meters. So all the sides are equal. Now we should find the cost of fencing it at the rate of 250 rupees per meter. So first you have to find the perimeter of square park. Side of square park equals to 250 meters. Now perimeter P equals to 4 into side, so this equals to 4 into 250, so this equals to 1000 meters. So we got the perimeter of square park. Then we have to find the cost of fencing. So the cost of fencing per meter is 20 rupees. Cost of fencing per meter is 20 rupees. Then we have to find the cost of fencing per 1000 meters equals to rupees 20 into 1000. So this equals to 20,000 rupees. Now let us solve the next question. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meters and breadth 125 meters at the rate of 12 rupees per meter. Now there is a rectangular park of length 175 meters and breadth 125 meters. So we have to find the cost of fencing the rectangular park at the rate of 12 rupees per meter. So to find the cost of fencing of any park, first we need to find its perimeter. So let us find the perimeter of rectangular park. Its length and breadth are given that 175 meters and 125 meters. So length is 175 meters and breadth is 125 meters. So here perimeter of rectangular park P equals to 2 of L plus B. So then P equals to 2 of length is 175 plus breadth is 125 meters. So then equals to 2 of 175 plus 125 is 300. So this equals to 600 meters. 300 into 2, 600 meters. Now we have to find the cost of fencing. So cost of fencing per meter equals to 12 rupees. Now the cost of fencing per 600 meters equals to 12 rupees into 600. So this equals to 12 6 are 72 00. So 7,200 rupees. So this is the total cost of fencing the rectangular park. Now let us solve the next question. Find the perimeter of the following figures. What do you infer from answers? So here three figures are given. We have to find the perimeter of each figure. Now the first figure is in the shape of a square. Of side 25 centimeters, and the second one is in the shape of a rectangle of length 30 centimeters and breadth 20 centimeters, and the third figure is in the shape of a triangle here two sides are equal, so 40 centimeters and third 20 centimeters. So we have to find the perimeter of each of the following figures, and we have to write the conclusion from the answers. So the first one, side of the square L equals to 25 centimeters. So then perimeter of square P equals to 4 into side. So then P equals to 4 into 25. So this equals to 100 centimeters. So perimeter of the first figure is 100 centimeters. Now the second figure is in the shape of a rectangle whose length 30 centimeters and breadth 20 centimeters. So here length is 30 centimeters and breadth is 20 centimeters. So then perimeter of rectangle P equals to 2 of length plus breadth, 2 of length is 30 plus breadth is 20. So then P equals to 30 plus 20 50, and 52s are 100 centimeters. So this is the perimeter of the second figure, which is in the shape of a rectangle. Now the third figure is in the shape of an isosceles triangle. So then the perimeter of triangle P equals to sum of the lengths of the three sides. So 40 plus 20. So this equals to 40 plus 40 80 plus 20 100 centimeters. So if you observe the perimeter of each figure, it is the same. So perimeter of the first figure, that is square, is 100 centimeters. Perimeter of second figure, that is rectangle, also 100 centimeters. And the perimeter of the third figure, that is in the shape of a triangle, means isosceles triangle, that is also 100 centimeters. So we can write that all the three figures have the same perimeter.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.